Hey guys, today we're going to do a review on this Lumary smart water timer, so stay tuned. Okay, first of all guys, we're going to unbox this thing, okay? So let me pull everything out. This looks like the instructional manual. I'll have to spend a little time reading that. Let's just go ahead and get out all the parts and take a quick look. And this looks like the main unit right here. Let's go ahead and pull that out. And this is the part that is going to hook onto your water spigot, I do believe. You'll run your hoses off of that, and you'll be able to actually control things, I believe, with your cell phone. Okay, so let's pull everything out. This is all the products, all the items that come in the box. Let's go ahead and let me read through the instructions just a little bit, and then we'll talk about it. Okay, folks. First thing I want to show you, the unit does not come with batteries, and it takes 4 AA batteries. So we have some here. We're going to go ahead and put them in as the little diagram says. And so do know that you will have to get at least 4 AA batteries before you operate the unit. So let's go ahead and put the cover back on the back, and let's continue reading those instructions. I want to show you something here real quick, guys. This cover will only go on one way, okay? I was attempting to put it on the incorrect way, but these little tabs right here, they line up right here, and then if you get it like that, you will be pushing it on the correct way, and it feels like it's a watertight seal as well. Okay, folks, hey, I opened up one of the little connectors here. I don't think we're going to need this. I just want to see what was in the bag. And this looks like if you're going to use like the little quick connect connectors that people sometimes have on their water hoses and irrigation systems. We won't be using those today, but it does come with a straight one and a 90-degree as well. And it also comes with a little roll of Teflon tape in each one of the bags. So I think what we're going to need today, also there's a water hose washer here if you need one. It looks like it already has one in place with a filter on this side, so we're not going to need anything there. And both our water hoses have good washers on them anyway. So let's go ahead and take this unit on out, install it on the back of our house, and we're going to find a place to plug this in. I have an outdoor outlet, so we're going to plug that in. This will be the little controller that will actually get us hooked up to the Wi-Fi. Okay, here's our little Bluetooth controller here that we're going to plug into a 110 source. And we're going to plug it in right here on the back of the house. And now let's take this unit and let's go plug it in at the spigot. Okay, folks, we're just going to screw this baby in place. And let's see, let's try to, our spigot here doesn't stay exactly in place here on the back of our house. But anyway, so make sure I get it good and tight, get it where we can get to either button if we need be. So now let's go ahead and let's see what happens if I just hit a button here. Let me flip the water on. Whoa, looks like we got water coming out of that side already. Okay. So, oh, see it cut off. Okay, cool. So, because remember we do have the batteries in there. So I guess just by manual, you can come out here and hit it with your finger. If you just want to cut the water on. Guys, I just barely have the water on. I didn't want you to think there was a problem with the flow here. But I just need a little bit of water just to test here. So we can hit that same button again, cut it off. Let's try this one again, and voila. We have, this works great. Okay, now, so what we're gonna do is go ahead and hook our water hose up here. And we don't actually water our yard. We have a well, so we don't wanna like waste all our water. Watering our grass, but we do have a garden, okay? Let me test this one more time, make sure that, okay, that's good right there, no leaks. Let me hit it one more time, cut it off. I'm gonna go and cut this thing up on full blast, because we're gonna walk out here and I'm gonna show you what we do use this water for. So let's take a walk. Okay, so we're out here by the garden, and here's a little old-fashioned sprinkler here that I use to water my garden with. So we got it hooked up, okay, and we're gonna go flip it on. And what's going to be really cool is when I get this app downloaded, and then I can just take my cell phone and turn it on. I don't even have to walk out here and do anything. So let me go ahead and set up the sprinkler head right now, and we're going to go flip it on just to see what it's doing. So stay tuned. Okay, folks, as you can see, we went back and pushed the button on our controller, and we got our little sprinkler set up here, okay? Now, we are actually sprinkling water in more than our garden right here, so I actually would probably, watch out, Nathaniel, you're going to end up getting wet. So we're watering our garden, but we're also watering a little bit of our yard as well. But for now, this will be okay. I may try to purchase a different type of sprinkler, but this thing here is what's really going to be cool about this Lumary smart water device, is the fact that I can just sit on the back porch and hit the button on the phone and bam, cut the water on. So let's go set up this app. Let's get this thing working. Okay, guys, right here by our control unit here, first of all, notice that the light is flashing. Okay, so we're in pairing mode. If it's not in pairing mode, you'll need to push that button, I think, for 5 seconds. So you will have to download the Lumary app. Okay, I've already got the app on my phone. Okay, so, and you'll have to install that as well. You can find that in your app store for your iPhone or Android. We have an iPhone here. I'm going to go ahead and pull up my app. And by the way, when you do download the app, you'll have to set up your own account. And we already have a Lumary product here. See, we have an outdoor lighting kit here on this screen. So we're going to hit plus right here, add a device, and it found it immediately right there. So we're going to hit add. Anyway, we'll have to delete that little clip out where it shows you our password. So let me just hit next here now. So we're going to hit next. And now, as you can see, this little unit here is downloading, okay? And after that, we're going to go over and do the same thing with the control unit. Okay, so let's go over here to the control unit. What I did is back to this page. Let's try this. Let's hit the add device. And it looks like it found it, okay? So we're going to hit add now. And this is the smart water controller. So we're going to go ahead and done. And there we go, guys. Let's go back up here on the porch and let's see if this works. Okay, guys, hey, we got the app pulled up and I figured out one thing. This one right here controls the one that we got hooked out there at the garden. I know you can't see it right now. I can see it, that the sprinkler just come on. We'll show you here in just a moment when we go out there. So I cut that back off. This one here controls the other one. If I hit that button, I'm going to hear water just hitting the ground over here, and I don't want to do that. I've already done that once. So we got two individual controllers here, okay? So if we had, you know, two things that we wanted to water on time, let's say we did want to water our grass, we could hook hoses and stuff up to this one here as well, set a timer for that. I don't know if I'm actually going to set a timer. I'll probably just come out here every evening, have me a cup of coffee or something after dinner. I'll hit the button on my phone and sit here and watch my garden get watered, okay? I may actually program a time in here to do that. And it looks like you can hit right here and set a time. You can delay it, evidently, if it's a rain day or what have you, if you watch the weather and you keep up with that. So anyway, guys, this is pretty cool. And let's say that I'm not here. Let's say I'm out of town or what have you. I can be somewhere else and say, hey, you know what? My garden probably needs to be watered. You know, I'm going to hit bam, you know, and just do it right here on my phone. So guys, thank you for checking out the little video today. Wait a minute, before I let you go, let's go out here and I'm going to show you the sprinkler coming on. I'm going to show you me controlling it with my cell phone. So let's go. Okay, guys, right here in the backyard, garden's over that way. I'm going to go and pull up my app here right quick. And I am going to hit the button and let's just see. And voila, look here, our sprinkler come on. Let's walk over and check it out. So there we go, guys. We can water our garden by sitting inside watching TV and say, hey, we forgot to water the garden. Let's just cut it on for 30 minutes. I can be down at my parents' house. I can be at the beach or whatever and cut this water on if I want to. This is pretty cool. This is exciting stuff for me, guys. I just this technology stuff just overwhelms me sometimes. It don't take much to make me happy. But anyway, I want to thank the good people at Lumary for sending us this product to test and make a video on. And so far, I'm very happy with it. Thank you guys. And you folks out there, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We will have a link to this product down in the description. So have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Take care.